You ever notice how you literally can't sneeze with your eyes open? Like, have you even seen anyone do that? Nah, it's giving impossible. No, your eyes won't pop out or anything. Chill. But real talk, sneezing launches air out of your body at like 100 miles per hour. So your body's like, let's shut those eyes real quick before something wild happens. It's actually your built-in defense system. Kinda cool, right? So next time you sneeze and your eyes shut like auto mode, just know your body's protecting you like a pro. Not weird, just peak human design.